In today's video, I will teach you how to add a colored border to text in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and create a new project by going to File, then New, and open an existing project. Then set your canvas size and resolution and click Create. You can also open an image if you want to overlay the text on it by going to File, then Open. Now we're going to add your text. To do this, select the text tool on the toolbar on the left side, or simply press T on your keyboard. With the text tool active, click on the canvas where you want to add the text, and type your desired text. Now use the top panel to adjust the font, size, and color of your text. You can also reposition the text using the Move tool from the toolbar. Now we're going to add a colored border. Start by right-clicking on the text layer in the Layers panel and select Blending Options from the drop-down menu. In the Layer Style window that appears, check the Stroke option on the left side. Now we're going to adjust the stroke settings. For size, adjust the slider to control the thickness of the border. For position, choose whether you want the stroke on the outside, inside, or center of the text. For color, click the color box next to the fill type and select the color on the border that you want to use. You can see a live preview of the border around your text, so make any necessary adjustments until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the stroke, click OK to apply the changes. Your text will now have a colored border around it. And once you're satisfied, save your project as a PSD by going to File, then Save as PSD if you plan to edit the text later. And to export the final image, simply go to File, then Export As, then choose a file format such as JPEG or PNG. By following these steps, you can easily add a colored border to any text in Photopea, helping your designs look more professional and visually appealing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.